I guess I don't really need these gloves.
Come on, E. Just tie the balloon around the dead bird.
Ugh.
Let's go, dude. We don't have all
I
day.
don't know how to tie.
Poor little guy just flew toward the light. Goodbye, sweet prince.
This is not too soon. Tying.
Ah.
I have to hold the balloon.
Farewell, sweet prince.
I should take my hat off,
Yeah,
I guess.
Get your hats off, gentlemen.
Sorry.
My God.
Out of respect.
Moment of silence, gentlemen.
Woo!
Yeah. All right. Here's our poor friend.
Well, it's a good run.
Time for a proper burial.
It was a good run, my friend.
Oh no!
right in the hole in your thing.
It went through the hole in the broken canopy.
Was that the goal?
No. Final flight. One final flight, my friend. There we go. There we go.